how to change country in Amazon Prime Video. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Complete Tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to change country in Amazon Prime Video. You will need to change country from Amazon account. So visit amazon.com and make sure you are logged in. In the top right corner, click on the Accounts and Lists option. Scroll down to the Digital Content and Device section. Click on Manage Content and Devices. Next, select Preferences. Once you are in Preferences section, open the drop-down menu for Country and Region setting. In this menu, you will find your current country or region listed as unknown. Simply click on the Change button. Now you will be prompted to enter your new address. Provide the address of your desired country. Finally, click on Update button to save your new country and region setting. That's all. Don't forget to give a thumb up, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Your comments and input means a word for me, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts in comments below. I truly appreciate your engagement.